Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be making French fried shrimp. Have you ever tried this recipe before? If you have, leave a comment down below. This recipe is a quick, easy, and delicious recipe. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to start this recipe off by cleaning my shrimp. So the first thing I have done is remove the head, the shell, and deveined the shrimp. After doing all that, I have washed the shrimp properly, and these are the ingredients that I will be working with. Be sure to use any seasonings of your choice. Today I will be working with some complete seasoning, some fish seasoning, and some jerk seasoning. After seasoning the shrimp, I am now going to put the egg in and combine. You don't have to do it this way. You can also whip the egg, put some seasonings in, and dip your shrimp one by one. That will take a little more time, but it will give you the same result. Now leave that to marinate for a few minutes. Or if you have a few hours to spare, then you can leave it to marinate for a few hours. At this point, you want to remove your shrimps from the mixture and then add them to the flour. Coat them properly and remove the excess flour. At this point, all you need to do is put a little oil in your frying pan, leave it to hot for a few minutes, then add your shrimp. Be sure to flip these once they are golden brown. As I've mentioned earlier, this recipe is a pretty quick and easy recipe. So please do not overcook your shrimp or please do not burn them. This is the finished product. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really and truly appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.